Thank you, Madam President. Dear colleagues, we are discussing a report and the resolutions that is called the consideration of the annulment of the previously ratified credentials of the Russian Federation. But nor the resolution and not any amendment that is tabled is not saying about annulment. So actually we are not discussing the annulment. What we are discussing at this moment is the choice. About the choices, rapporteur had said in the beginning that it's not his choice to stand in front of this audience and talk about the Russian credentials, but it's the matter of choice what we make, whether we are ready and able to send a strong signal to the Russian Federation. This is not the way to continue. I also want to talk about the choices that we all have, personal and not only personal. It's not our choice of Georgians or the Ukrainians to live in the neighborhood of the Russian Federation, but we do live. But our choice is to be the part of the Council of Europe, where the human rights, rule of law, democracy are the main guiding principle. Our choice is to be the European Union associated states and not Russian associated states. Our choice is the part of the largest security umbrella that provides the opportunity for every our citizen to benefit, to develop, and to work for their better lives. This is our choice. That's why we stand firm, and we want to make sure that whole European society stands together and makes the choice against the occupation. Yes, our Russian colleagues had a choice. They could have been here in deliberations and talked together with us about possible ways of improving situation. No, but their choice was to be back in Moscow and ratify the so-called international agreements with Crimea, with Abkhazia, and with South Ossetia, and thus annexing the parts of our countries. This is the choices that our colleagues who come here and talk to us about the engagement. Yes, we do agree it's not time for new walls in Europe, but it's a time for clear message. If we do not maintain clearness, strictness, and straightforwardness in this message, I can tell you that we will get to a much graver consequences. And this is the path that we've been continuing to do so. 2008, we failed to stop the Russia. Now we have Crimea. We will fail to stop the Russia in Crimea. Then we have other countries. Thank you.